wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you, sir?
I'm great. Thank you. Okay, before the class started, let's pray together. So, pray begins. Finish?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to absent today. Is there anyone absent? No? Alhamdulillah ya, hari ini semua nihil. Oke. Now, kalian bisa ini step ini ya. Ini kita mau main game dulu sebelum mulai pembelajaran.
Yeay.
Oke, ini kita yang aja ya. Nanti kita bagi kedua kelompok. Kelompoknya Diana, Monde dan Agis, sama kelompoknya Mawar, Intan dan Afifah. Oke ya?
Yes, sir.
Oke, ini kita main
Yes,
game
sir.
seru-seruan sebelum mulai. Oke, let's start the game. First, what can you find in this text? Lions are majestic wild animals known for their powerful. They are also referred to as the king of the jungle. Apa itu jawabannya? Inti dari teks itu apa? Oke, Mawar.
Lion behavior.
Lion behavior.
Oh,
Animal. Animal
Oh
living.
no.
Okay, number 2. What is the text primarily discussing? Ayo, Mawar lagi. Let's go.
Architectural wonder.
Architectural landmark. Alright, let's see.
Yay! Oh my god, this is so fun.
Okay, third question. What is the text describing? Let's go, anyone? Diana. The Grand Canyon. Let's see.
Yay!
Next question. The Great Barrier Reef. What is the main focus of this text?
Marine conservation.
Marine conservation. Let's see.
Yeah. Oh no.
Last question. What is the main topic of this text? The tallest mountain or what? What? Yes. The tallest mountain.
Yay!
Alright. That's fine.
Yes.
Okay, are you having fun playing this game?
Yeah!
Now let's move to the presentation about descriptive text. First, do you know what place it is? Ada yang tahu ini? Beach, ya, pantai mana? Beach, what beach? Bali, yes. What beach? What's the name of the beach? It's one of the beaches in Kuta. No, no, no. Diamond, yes, Diamond Beach. Have you ever been there? Have you ever been there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I think yes.
Okay, this is a very cool beach in Bali. Yeah. Diamond Beach.
Yes.
Alright, so what is a descriptive text? The definition: descriptive text is a text that describes a particular person, animal, place, or thing. And for today's lesson, we will talk particularly about describing place or historical place. So, and for the purpose of descriptive tag is to describe person, animal, place, or thing in specific. Jadi secara spesifik. Fungsi dari descriptive
Text.
For the generic structure, there are two, right?
Yes.
First is identification. This part introduces who or where the subject being described is. Untuk bagian identification itu biasanya pengenalan tentang tempatnya itu apa, lokasinya itu di mana, dan untuk generic structure kedua, description. This part shows the detailed description of the subject. It may include information about the appearance or other visual. Di bagian description ini itu lebih lengkap ya, memuat informasi tentang benda atau tempat yang akan kita deskripsikan secara lengkap, mulai dari ukuran atau mungkin banyaknya banyak hal-hal lain, warna, ukuran dan sebagainya. Okay, next is about language features. There are three language features in descriptive text. First, using simple present tense. Nah, the patternnya ini ada tiga. Yang first, subject plus verb one plus object. Atau kalau subjeknya itu pakai I, you, they, we, kita bisa pakai subject plus verb one plus object. Ada juga kalau subjeknya she, he, it plus verb one plus tambah s atau es plus object. Okay, here are the example. I'm going to give you one. Okay, the temple consists of 6 square platforms. So the temple is the subject, and then consists is verb one plus s. Nah, ini ada s-nya. Sorry, s, and 6 square is the object. Okay, do you get the point of simple present tense?
Yes.
And next, in descriptive text, also using adjective and a verb. Now, this is some example for the adjective: famous, largest, circular. And for the adverb, example atau kata keterangan: in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia, or in the world. Kata keterangan bisa kata keterangan tempat atau keterangan waktu. Tapi ini kita belajarnya itu untuk kata keterangan tempat di materi. And the third language feature is using present passive voice. Untuk patternnya yaitu subject plus is, are plus verb 3. For example, the circle domain is surrounded by 72 Buddha statues. The circle is subject, circle domain is subject plus is plus verb 3, surrounded. Okay, do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Right, that's about the language features. Alright, so this is the example of text. Okay, anyone wants to read? Okay, Mawar.
Ayana Buddhist temple. The temple consists of 6 square, 9 stacked platforms, and 3 circulars, topped by central dome. The temple is beautiful with 2,672 relief panels and 504 Buddha statues. The central dome is surrounded by 72 Buddha statues, each seated inside a perforated stupa. It is the world's largest Buddhist temple in the world.
Alright, thank you so much, Mawar. So, as we can see, there are two generic structures. First is identification, which is the first paragraph. Borobudur is located in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. It is a famous 19th century Mahayana Buddhist temple. Jadi untuk paragraf pertama atau bagian identification itu menjelaskan Borobudurnya dan lokasinya itu di mana dan sedikit informasi tentang. And then the second is description. The table consists of 6 square, 9 stack, bla 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 bla. Ini tuh lebih ke detailnya ya. Jadi consist dari 6 square, 9 stack platform itu kayak tangga dan 3 circulars. Circulars itu gitu kan?
Yes, sir.
And etc. Mulai dari banyaknya panel dan banyaknya udah status itu juga termasuk deskripsi untuk bagian generic structure description. Alright, next is task time.
Wow, oh my god, I don't want it.
It's very easy, okay? I want you to divide again, but I want you to divide into 3 groups, so work in pairs, okay? Which is seated. Dengan teman sebangsa. Okay, so the task is this about
Oh my
Colosseum, but
Wow.
tapi ini belum itu ya, belum dibagi dalam generic structure. Nanti kalian juga identificate yang mana kata sifatnya, oke?
Yes, sir.
Okay, groupnya is yes. Is there any difficulties? No. Okay. How about Diana's group? Is there any difficulties you find?
No.
No. Intan's group.
Yes.
Susah.
Susah banget.
It's very easy. I already, explained it earlier.
Bisa.
Okay, guys, are you guys done?
Yes, sir.
Which group wants to answer? Okay,
Yeah.
For the identification,
Yes.
it starts from Colosseum.
Colosseum.
It's one of 7 wonders of the world, which is located in Italy,
Yes.
until it is a historical relic.
So, first
Yeah.
sentence, second sentence, until relic. That is the identification.
And
Yeah.
this place was built in the period of King Alfredo the Belgian in 752.
AD.
After finish is description.
Description structure.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it correct, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is there? Do you find any adjectives in this
Yeah.
text? Which are these?
We found several adjectives.
Large.
Yeah. Yes. Large. Yes.
Historical.
Historical.
Elliptical.
Elliptical. Yes. That's a shape. Hmm.
Spherical.
Great.
Great.
Spectacular.
Spectacular. Yes. Spectacular also adjective. And then
Vision.
magnificent.
And unique.
Unique. Okay, excellent. That is great. Give us a Now, for the second task, there are 2. I want you to create a descriptive text about a dream place you want to visit.
Wow.
Interesting, right?
Yes.
Okay. But please pay attention to the generic structure and language features that I already explained earlier. Okay, do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Now, please, you can start. What is your place about? Big dish. That is very cool. I heard it. But I visited. Have you ever visited before?
Yes.
Oh, that is really cool. What's your name? Which text? Huh? No, what is this? Stephen. Yeah. Why are you cheating? Why are you cheating? Belum nemu. Okay, it's fine. Okay, How about you, Diana? Wait.
Visit in Singapore.
Singapore?
Yeah.
Deket banget.
Gak apa-apa. Oke, Singapore. Where about you, Mama?
My hometown, Jeju Island.
Oh wow, oh see you on Jeju Island. Are you
My
K-pop
father.
idol?
My brother is.
Oh my, your
Oh my
brother.
God.
Okay, okay. That's really cool. How about you, Inta?
Gak boleh nyontek.
Nyontek.
Nggak mau.
Aku cuma lihat aja set.
Apa? Kamu
Apa ya?
your dream place to visit?
Ganteng sih. Jadi buru-buru.
Borobudur?
Enggak sir.
No.
Mau ke Mekah.
Oh,
Masya
Allah.
Me too.
Iya nanti pulang dari Mekah.
Semoga kamu bisa kamu.
Amin.
Everyone else.
Yes, everyone.
How about you, Afifa?
I wanna go to Melbourne, Sweden.
For Melbourne.
Yes.
Okay, I think everyone has a different place to visit, and each are very unique. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, are you done?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, everyone done. So, is there anyone volunteer to present your work? Oh, he's okay. Please, no, no, okay, yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh no, you want to come from there. Come on. Okay, let's hear which place is want to visit.
Pink Beach.
Pink Beach.
Pink Beach or Pantai Merah Muda is one of the beaches in Komodo Island, East Nusa Tenggara. The beach is called Pink Beach because the sand beach is pink. The pink color of its beach is a mixture of white sand beach color mixed with crushed shells, calcium carbonate from marine invertebrates that are very small, and also foraminifera, microscopic amoeba that has a red body shell. At Pink Beach, there are so many marine organisms. No fewer than 1,000 species of fish, 260 species of coral, and 70 species of sponge can be found here. Having so much marine life, this place is a proper spot for snorkeling and diving for sea sport lovers.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I think that's very cool. So which part is the identification? So what is the identification part? You write it.
Yeah, the first paragraph.
First paragraph.
Yeah.
So dari kata apa sampai apa?
Pink Beach or Pantai Merah Muda is one of the beaches in Komodo Island, in Nusa Tenggara. The beach is called Pink Beach because the sand beach is pink.
Okay. So why do you think it's identification? Because
Because in this sentence,
yes.
involves the information of the name of the
The
beach,
beach.
the
Okay.
place,
Please.
yeah,
Okay.
the information.
And how about the description?
Description from second paragraph
Mm-hmm.
and the third paragraph.
Why do you think it's description?
Because in this paragraph,
Mhm.
the information more detailed.
Oh yeah.
Why the color is pink and
Okay.
the species live in this beach.
Okay, that is great. But how about you guys? Do you find any like adjectives or what is it? Any? Mm-hmm.
The,
Ada?
yeah.
What is it?
For example, pink,
Pink,
white,
white,
small,
small,
many,
mini.
yeah, so much.
So much. Okay, that is really cool. Give a plus up. about Abby's presentation? Is it good?
Good. Very good. Very good.
Okay. Okay, that is really great, Abby's. Thank you. Alright, I think that's it about today's lesson. Do you guys have fun for today? Oke, sebelum saya akhiri, saya mau nanya dulu. Tadi kita belajar apa aja? First, descriptive text. What is descriptive text?
To
To
describe
describe
about place,
something
something,
in specific. Yes, correct. And then we also learn about generic structure. What are the generic structures of descriptive text? Identification and description, correct. And then what else? What? Language features, correct. How many language features? Three. What are they? Using simple present tense, and then no, adjective and verb, and then what are the third? The third is using present passive voice. Okay, so you have to remember, okay? And yeah, I think that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for coming. I'll see you guys in the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I just had to let you know you're